I think Buddy's stuck.
I've never seen him look hotter. Gianni's gonna kill it.
I've driven a tractor before, so I'm comfortable doing it. I also don't want to knock the house down. Ready, boss? All right, let's do this. You got it? Boss, drop it for you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I mean, all said and done,
Hi.
I'm finally done. 6 hours later, I did it. Did I just say like $200? $250. Alright, nailed it.
Ouch! Ow! Those are my toes.
Alright, babe, we got a project for us.
What we got now?
The pallet, we're gonna put them to use. I want to use this one because it's like rustic looking.
It's pretty beat up looking.
It's supposed to.
So anything out of the garbage is rustic?
No.
Really? Right next to me?
You'll learn, grasshopper.
Really?
And then basically you just put the plants in, and then you can put it up against the wall, and then you have
Wish
a
I
little
could
garden.
And after the plant comes out and like just hangs the troops down?
Yeah, so like this whole thing will be filled with plants. You want to bring it up there?
Bring this up there?
Ow, why are
I
you
got
two biting
some
me?
black tar, which we're gonna put it to hold the plants.
Let go, you
Can I try
have
one?
sharp teeth.
Yeah. Stop. You have to twist.
I was.
It's not really.
You want back up there?
Ow, ow.
Teamwork.
Quit biting my knees.
Thank you. My lovely assistant.
Assistant. I'm the boss.
Oh.
You're my worker. Alright, keep working. I gotta go get some plants in the car.
You got it.
Hey,
Be right back.
what are you
Got it,
doing?
boss.
You crazy?
I am the boss. B-O-S-S. Boss lady.
Be a big mama bear. That's about it.
I'm the boss lady.
This is actually a really cool idea. Hold it right there. I got it. Oh, good?
What are they doing?
Somebody's got Ziva's leash. Hey. What are you doing there? Oh, I just... Oh, man.
My bad. But it blends in.
What are you doing?
It's okay. As long as it wasn't my finger.
Where'd their truck go?
No one said hacking.
It's around here somewhere.
Right? I'm gonna make a shirt. Real men.
Oh, hi, Bella. You want to be on camera, too?
Yes, babe. Better than real men wear pink. Real men. Ah.
Somebody's attacking me.
How?
Larry's guys are really moving though. Yeah.
And Hank. Oh, here's Hank.
So, 8 piece. Cole's not gonna like that one. No, you don't think so? You're making a mess. You know that? You gotta stuff it in. That's the key. Stuff it. I like it.
How's it coming?
Come check it out.
No. It's a workout. Wow.
What do you think?
Babe,
Rocky
that
Road.
looks so good.
We gotta fill in the rest though.
This is there. Alright, how many slots you got left? 4 or 5?
You gonna help me?
I want to get my nails started.
Oh! I thought you wanted to be the
Where are you
boss.
going?
I am the boss. I have my assistants working. You're my assistant. Get to work. Chop chop. Thanks, babe.
We'll get right on it.
Coming up. Why is it coming out like that?
Hey, Jay, G-Spot, come on, give us a
G-Spot.
hand.
Why would that be his name?
Oh, because he used to hit that all the time.
Gianni!
But he's like, what the heck are you doing? What are you doing?
Wow.
Hey!
Hank.
So far, the driveway from the front has been ripped out, and all the sand that was dirty has been raked out and leveled. The new sand has to come, get laid out, leveled off. The decking's got to get ripped up, and then we can start the back porch. This is where they're putting the pavers. This machine's gonna flatten everything out, pack it nice and hard.
Hi, Bella.
Hey,
Yeah.
G-Spot. Come on, give us a hand.
Why would you call me?
His name in high school.
Are you kidding me? Gianni.
Joke, you shut up.
Gianni. Why would that be his name?
Oh, because he used to hit that all the time.
Gianni!
Will you knock it off?
I'm pissed off right now. Start my day like that.
So if you want to jump in, grab a drill. I got a drill for you. We can take out all the screws, and we'll work our way back from here. Then we'll flop the saw, bring us over here once we get it done.
Yeah.
Ow!
This old decking is actually in pretty good shape. Instead of paying a lot of money for brand new decking to go on the deck and the dock, we might as well just rip this up.
Where'd the other two go?
Damage
In the
it,
bedroom.
and just
Um.
recycle it and use it for the dock.
That's not a tug.
Babe, look.
That's not a tug.
Guys are doing work today.
That's my shirt.